Hi and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make a pasta salad. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this we'll need about a half cup of shredded mozzarella, about 8 pitted black olives, about 8 pimento stuffed green olives, about a dozen small slices of salami, a 12-ounce package of garden rotini, enough salt for boiling, and about a cup of Italian dressing. First, we'll bring a pot of water deep enough to cover the pasta to a boil over high heat. We'll salt the water to prevent the pasta from sticking together and to help the water boil more quickly. Once the water comes to a boil, we'll go ahead and stir in our uncooked pasta, reduce heat to medium-high, and let it cook for about 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes and our pasta's done, so we're just going to drain it in the sink. Then we're going to rinse it with some cold water and transfer it to a bowl before allowing it to chill for 2 hours in the refrigerator. It's been 2 hours and we've removed our pasta from the fridge. It's now that we're going to chop up everything else and add it. We're going to take our dozen slices of small salami and we're going to stack those and chop them. This cuts down on the time necessary to cut these. Then we'll add our salami into our pasta. Next, we'll thinly slice our 2 types of olives. Once you're done chopping, go ahead and shake your Italian dressing and add it to the pasta salad. Then toss everything together. After this, we'll go ahead and put our pasta salad into a bowl and add the cheese just before serving. This is so the vinegar won't melt the cheese. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.